The northern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are nature's way of showing off. It's a cosmic light show that puts your LED party lights to shame. But how do these magical curtains of color come to life? Let's break it down in a way that even your dog might understand, assuming they are into astrophysics. Why do northern lights happen? This is the science bit. Picture this: the sun, our overly enthusiastic neighbor 93 million miles away, is constantly throwing solar tantrums. Every so often, it ejects a ton of charged particles, protons and electrons, into space. These streams of charged particles are known as the solar wind. Think of it as cosmic glitter being hurled across the solar system. When these particles reach Earth, our planet's magnetic field steps in like a superhero shield. Most of the time, the magnetic field does an excellent job of deflecting these solar intruders. But near the poles, where the magnetic field lines converge, some of these particles sneak through and head toward the Earth's upper atmosphere. Here's where the real magic happens: when these charged particles collide with gases in the atmosphere, like oxygen and nitrogen, they transfer energy to the gas molecules. The gases get excited, and when they calm down, they release that energy as light. That's what we see as the northern lights. Different gases produce different colors. Oxygen gives off green and red hues, while nitrogen contributes purples and blues. Where can you see them? The northern lights love to hang out in high latitude regions near the Arctic Circle. Think Norway, Finland, Sweden, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska. These places are basically the VIP lounges of aurora viewing. Why there? Because the Earth's magnetic field is strongest near the poles, which makes it the perfect landing zone for those mischievous charged particles. But wait, there's more. In the southern hemisphere, the same phenomenon occurs, but it's called the Aurora Australis. You can see it in places like Antarctica, southern New Zealand, and Tasmania. It's like the northern lights' less famous sibling, still breathtaking, just with fewer Instagram posts. To catch the northern lights, you'll need dark skies, clear weather, and a bit of luck. Winter months are the best time because the nights are longer, giving you more darkness to work with. You'll also want to avoid cities and their light pollution. Auroras and streetlights don't get along. Here's a pro tip: check the aurora forecast online. Yes, that's a thing, and it's like a weather forecast but way cooler. If there's a high chance of solar activity, grab your coat, head out, and prepare to be amazed. The northern lights aren't just about science, they are about wonder. They've inspired myths and legends for centuries. Vikings thought they were reflections of Valkyrie's armor. Some indigenous peoples believed they were the spirits of ancestors dancing in the sky. Now, some fun facts to impress your friend. The auroras don't just glow, they are constantly shifting and dancing. This is due to the ever-changing interaction between the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. Auroras occur about 60 to 400 miles above Earth's surface. That's higher than any commercial plane flies, so don't expect to catch them from your window seat on a flight. The sun's activity follows an 11-year cycle. During solar maximum, the peak of this cycle, the northern lights are more frequent and intense. Mark your calendars for the next solar max party. So there you have it, the northern lights are the ultimate cosmic drama, starring charged particles, magnetic fields, and atmospheric gases. Whether you're a science nerd or just someone who loves pretty lights, the auroras are a reminder of how wild and wonderful our universe can be. Next time you find yourself under a starry sky, keep an eye out. You might just catch the greatest light show Earth has to offer, no ticket required.